Black Friday isn't over yet. Whether you're a gamer, a DIY enthusiast, or a person who hates to visit the doctor, don't waste your time and grab one of these products since they might improve your life. Regulate the temperature of your bed for a more comfortable night's sleep with the ChiliSleep Cube cooling sleep system. With the ability to keep your bedroom between 55 degrees and 115 degrees, it can create a sleep-friendly environment throughout the year. Moreover, this cooling sleep system is easy to use. Simply add water and plug it in for restorative sleep. With patented cooling and warming water technology, the ChiliSleep Cube is great for both hot and cold sleepers. Furthermore, receive the ChiliPad Cool Mesh, a cooling mattress pad for efficient temperature regulation. Compatible with all mattress sizes, it further enhances your sleep to keep you at the perfect temperature. Made of polycotton and polyfill, it provides ample comfort every night. Finally, this gadget prioritizes your safety with a 390 milliliters water reservoir tank that automatically switches off when it's low. Power through any storm this winter with the Greenworks Pro 80V cordless snow thrower. Strong and powerful, this piece of kit can clear a path as wide as 20 inches in a single pass. In addition, it can battle through snow as much as 10 inches deep. Inside the Greenworks Pro are a powerful 2.0 Ah battery and an 80V Li-ion system. This will last you a full 45 minutes, which is plenty for clearing a path to your door. The maintenance-free brushless motor is ultra-quiet, so you can get busy early in the morning. Plus, it's small enough to handle sidewalks, your patio, and more. Or, you can use it to blast through all the snow on your driveway. The Greenworks Pro is complete with a 180-degree rotating chute. This disperses the snow effectively without having it pile up in a single location. Lock in wine's freshness for weeks, months, and even years with the Coravin Timeless 3SL wine bottle opener and preserver. Featuring the Coravin Pure capsules with 99.99% ultra-pure argon gas, this accessory preserves flavor. Furthermore, this wine accessory pours a 5-ounce pour of wine with a standard needle in 29 seconds. The standard needle inserts into the cork in a new place every time for maximum freshness. As a result, you can open a bottle of wine and then return to it a long while later. Moreover, this wine bottle opener and preserver has an ergonomic handle for a large gripping area to pour wine effortlessly. And the smart clamps allow you to insert your Coravin system in one quick, firm push. If you're showing off your pearly whites with a transparent face mask, now may be the time to brighten them up with the Colgate Optic White Advanced LED Teeth Whitening Kit. And you can start right now because this totally mess-free kit works in just 10 days. Use it for 10 minutes a day over a 10-day period, and this tooth whitener can make your teeth 6 shades whiter. Simply try on the device to make sure it fits, and then charge it up before your first use. You'll get whitening serum for the whole treatment. Spread a vial each day on the top and bottom row of the LED whitener. Once you've spread the serum, just press the button to turn the device on and then place it in your mouth. Colgate Optic White is so easy that you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Look your best even when you work from home by installing the Anker Power Conf C300 webcam, ensuring it creates true-to-life colors. This gadget has a crisp, clear 180p camera that delivers 60 FPS. So you look great for your clients, boss, or future boss. Moreover, just like your favorite headphones, the Anker PowerConf C300 provides active noise cancellation. This means it minimizes distractions caused by kids, pets, and neighbors. With automatic low light correction technology, this webcam makes you visible no matter what time of day it is. Offering Zoom certification, it works easily with your video conferencing platforms, and it installs with a simple USB-C connection. Furthermore, using AI technology, it adjusts the field of view to fit everyone in. Finally, it has an autofocus feature that takes just 0.35 seconds to work, displaying your latest prototypes with clarity. Unlock energy savings every year with the ecobee 3 Lite Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat by automatically heating or cooling your home when electricity is cheaper and cleaner. Impressively, it'll even learn your routine and recommend changes to the thermostat based on your schedule. Moreover, the ecobee 3 Lite comes with a range of smart features. For example, it'll use your air conditioner to lower the indoor humidity without requiring a separate dehumidifier. Also, use the Smart Home and Away mode where this thermostat will automatically adjust the temperature when you leave home. It'll then restore your comfort settings when you're back home. Or select Follow Me for the thermostat to detect which room you're in and adjust the temperature accordingly to suit your comfort level in those spaces. Finally, it works in harmony with your smart home appliances. This includes Apple HomeKit, letting you control the system via iOS devices. Recharge your devices anywhere you go with the Jackery Explorer 240 portable power station. Packing a punch, this powerful battery pack gives you a multitude of options for any device. The Explorer 240 is complete with 2 USB ports, a car port, and even an AC outlet. With this, you can plug in devices such as your laptop, a mini fridge, or anything else with a standard US plug. Likewise, you can plug in all your devices at once. In addition to this, there are multiple ways to recharge the power station. From the standard plug, it takes 7 minutes 8 hours. Or, you cause the car port for the same amount of time. Alternatively, you can use the Jackery Solar Charger 50. In full sun, it takes 9 minutes 10 hours to fully charge. The Explorer 240 is aptly named. You can take it anywhere and everywhere for endless power. Get lighting that looks just as good off as it does on with the Ultra Black Shapes Triangles RGB smart lighting panels. These sleek triangles feature a 306-sided black finish. So when you switch them off, they appear as black triangles, similar to a modern work of art. What's more, these unique lights come with everything you need to install them in your home, including black mounting and power accessories. Moreover, they provide vibrant high-contrast RGB lighting animations once you switch them on. They have the same features as Nanoleaf's Shapes line, including effects like rhythm music, touch, screen mirror, and more. Hang them in your office, living room, gaming area, or any room where you want to add a futuristic vibe. And, of course, they work with your favorite assistants, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Your morning coffee won't go cold anymore thanks to the Ember Mug² temperature-controlled cup. In fact, this mug will maintain your ideal drink temperature for up to 90 minutes. That means this temperature control mug allows you to savor your coffee, tea, or other beverage for much longer than usual. Especially in winter, drinks cool down much too rapidly. With the Ember Mug², you set your preferred temperature through the connected app. This smart coffee mug then keeps your drink at that temperature, allowing you to enjoy it for much longer. And when you leave the mug on its coaster, it'll keep your drink warm all day long. Available in black and white colors along with 10-ounce and 14-ounce sizes, this techie mug suits your style and needs. Ready for an incredible gaming experience? The Dell Alienware Aurora R11 gaming desktop is what you're going to want to make it happen. Designed with NVIDIA RTX 3080 and RTX 3090 graphics cards, this gaming desktop computer has an improved cooling structure. That's thanks in part to the 10mm copper heat pipes and built-in vapor chambers. Plus, there are dual axial fans that offer positive rear pressure relief with a short length. With all of these features together, this gamer computer is designed to let you play longer without the heat. More than that, this computer runs on a 10th generation Intel Core i9 processor and comes with 64 GB of RAM, though you can upgrade to 128 GB. You'll also get 2 TB of storage and a 2 TB hard disk. With multiple models available, it's impressive that some start at a relatively low price point. You're going to want to get your hands on one of the Dell Alienware Aurora R11 computers. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.